Hi, my name is David Siegler. I am one of the trainers at Progressive Property, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about how you can get into property, how you can start your property business. So make sure you like and subscribe to this channel down below. Let's get started. So many of you out there are asking me all the time, David, how do I get into property? How do I get started building my property business? Well, if you're starting from scratch, this channel is a great place to be. We're going to help you with all sorts of strategies going forward to build your property business. But there are many resources out there, very, very reasonable in terms of cost. You should be all over it. You should suck up all the learning that you can. Number one, let's start with books. Books are a fantastic resource, full of experience of people who have already done it and built a property business. I have a book. My book, Get Into Property, can get you started on the journey. But my co-trainers, the people I work with, also have books. Kevin McDonnell, the wonderful Kevin McDonnell, has a book called No Money Down. If you want to know how to start your property business with no money, buy Kevin's book. And the founders of Progressive Property, Rob Moore and Mark Homer, have written a dozen plus best-selling Amazon books, and they are now decamillionaires. Decamillionaires built from property. Do you think you can learn something from a decamillionaire? I know I can. Books are just a wonderful way to leverage their 20 years plus experience in property so that you can learn how to do it too. There are links below for all of those fantastic books, including my book. Buy my book. Number two, you've got to be a bit careful with this. People. Why don't we learn from people who have been through the process and done it before? People will share with us their experiences. They'll give us help. They might even tell us their power teams, who they're working with, so you can work with them too. Where are you going to find these people? I don't mind where you live, somewhere, wherever you are in the United Kingdom, you are going to have network events close to where you live, where you can go and talk to local property people, landlords who are doing it now, landlords who have built big property businesses. You're going to meet estate agents, local accountants, local solicitors, all of these people you need in your power team to build a great property business. So people are my very first resort in order to find out everything I needed to build my property business. It's absolutely free. You should use that resource too. Number three, the biggest one for me is education. Get yourself trained. Immerse yourself in knowledge. Learn from people who have been through the process themselves, who have built businesses, and they are prepared to share with you how you can build your business too. Education for me is what turbocharged my property business. The results that I achieved were unimaginable when I started, and it was all because I got myself educated and I got a template, I got a process. I was able to learn from other people's successes and learn from other people's failures. I hear some friends out there telling me that property training might be expensive. Education could be expensive, but here's the thing. If you think education is expensive, try ignorance, because property is great when it goes well and you hit your numbers and the projects go according to plan. But what you need to know is what to do when things go wrong. When things go wrong in property, the costs can be tens of thousands of pounds. It can set you back years. Don't put yourself in the position where you are learning how to do a project while you're doing the project. Get your education in place first. Number four, one step further on from education is mentorship. Get yourself a mentor. When I was on my own, I struggled. I didn't have any help, advice, support. I didn't have a sounding board, somebody who could guide me when I needed guidance. As soon as I got a mentor, I got mentors in my life who could help me move forward, who could show me where the pitfalls were, who could pick me up when I fell over, who could point me in the right direction, everything changed. Everything changed. Get yourself a mentor. You want direct access to them so they can help you with the day-to-day challenges that you're going to get in your property business. Mentorship is the most valuable investment you can make. Number 5, why not go to YouTube? You are on our channel now. Stick with this channel. Make sure you like and subscribe down below. We are going to fill this channel with marvelous content, nuggets that you can use to build your property business, and it's totally free. And we don't mind what your chosen property strategy is. We are going to have content on this channel specially for you. We have expert trainers in the industry from all over the industry, and we are all going to be here on the Progressive Property Progressive Property YouTube channel, helping you, giving you content, telling you how to set up and systemize your own property business. So if you're finding this video useful, I recommend that you click on this link here. On this link, you can book on to your absolutely free 3 days of property training with us at Progressive Property at the Multiple Streams of Property Income event. It is the #1 property training event in the United Kingdom today, and you can click on this link to secure your places for free. Plus, if you use this link, you will also receive a free gift from us. So you've got YouTube, you've got books, you've got people, you've got education, you've got your mentor in place. But everything depends on you. All of that stuff will work great if you work great as well. Take some action. Listen to the advice. Start working on your property business and it will grow and serve you forever. But action is the key. Be an action taker. Build your property business. I've been David Siegler. I will see you on the next one.